Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK45, and in this video we are going to talk about the keyword called this. This keyword is basically used to refer an object, okay, but to which object it will refer, it depends upon how it is being used, how it is being called, okay. This keyword also prevent an accident. Let's see how. Hmm. Let me write a simple thing. First name, sorry, right here the guest. Okay, let's create a class called person is equal to uh, define the first name here also and give it a name. Okay, okay, let me give an id also. Okay, give an id number, and now let's create a function called get full name. Okay, just pay some attention here. Okay, function uh, return full name. So write this dot first name, give some space, and this dot last name. Okay, so you can clearly see it's a simple program, and we will get the full name if we do that console.log and person dot get full name. Okay, this is fine, completely fine. Now see what will happen if I have not written this. Okay, if I have not written this, so what I'm going to get, see this is an accident. I'm getting I'm getting guessed, but my intention was to get this one. Okay, so I wanted to refer this object, but accidentally I am referring to this one. Okay, so in that case, for this purpose, if we have to refer to the variables or to the data of the class we are implementing, the method of the class in which we are working, then we can say simply this keyword itself self-explanatory. Okay, this keyword means I'm referring to my own environment. Simple thing, I'm referring to my own scope. That's all about this. So what this will give you, this will give you here your current object, current working object. That's simple. Okay, so this is one of the example of this keyword when we are using it here. We will see in another example when we will be doing HTML and JavaScript on HTML page. So we will try to see there uh, when we are doing some event. So in case of event, if we use this this refer to that element. Let's say we are writing an event on a button, so this will refer to an button, to a button object. Okay, to that particular element. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is all about this keyword. Okay, thank you.